Hello, my friends. Today I brought a really interesting video for you all. Please make sure to watch the entire video without skipping any part. In today's video, we're going to discuss how you can effectively turn off the private account option on TikTok. So, without wasting any more time, let's dive right into the video. First and foremost, you'll need to open the TikTok application on your device. You'll need to tap on the three dot icon first. After that, you should proceed to tap on the settings and privacy option. Following that, you will need to tap on the privacy option. Now here you can see the private account and you have to tap this to turn it off, then tap on the switch option here. If you found this video enjoyable, please do consider subscribing to our channel, and to ensure you don't miss out on more interesting videos like this one, make sure to hit that bell icon.